Welcome back, Daily Fam. Today we have the Lost Origin versus Silver Tempest, two of my favorite Sword and Shield era packs. Especially if you're going for that Lugia, especially if you're going for that Giratina full art, and that special Lugia everybody wants, as it's so nice just gliding through the air over the Fisher's Door. We got a nice little pack battle going. We have 11 of each. Gonna offset each one, see which one comes with the better hits, see which one win this battle. Hopefully we could pull those chase cards out of both packs, and that'd be really nice. But a little bit backstory with how I acquired these. I acquired these out of sleeves packs actually, and this one out of I think a couple of 10 cans. So we'll see which one hit better. And yes, I did get the Giratina out of a little binder pack, I believe that was, and or out of 10. So we're gonna see, and we're gonna test that theory, and hopefully we can pull both. And hope you enjoy. So I'm gonna start it off with the Silver Tempest, and then I'll go into the Lost Origin, go back and forth, and see how that goes out of these packs. For our first one. Okay. So hopefully we get something pretty good. That's starting off pretty good with a nice border. There go that cute card there. I'll go forward to the front. Okay. Electric energy. Nighttime. Identify fossil. A Growlithe. Is Wilmer. More rock. Love. Into reverse right. Into a non-hollow. Yeah, okay. That's pretty weird. Having a cute card. Thought it was a guarantee a little something. Switch it up. Those are, I think, the new sleeve packs. Okay. Let's get to the Lost Origin. Got a white cue card. There you go. Same with this one. Forward to the front. Set over. That's energy. Thunk Fisk. Low. Ghastly. Ducklet. Or reverse hollow. Into a non-hollow. Right shoe. Gonna try to keep these stacks separate. Then we're gonna go another Silver Tempest. I think they tried something a little new with the packs. I think they're trying to, if these are the new ones and in the sleeves, I think they're trying to make the cue cards where it doesn't really matter. Not for sure. We shall see as we get a leaf into a fish girl, the plenty, a drowsy, spinner rack, rocks, into another. Okay. Looking like a nice little pattern, as my theory might be true, that the new sleeve packs out of these, if you get a thicker, more tight, thicker base, they've probably switched them up. We have to really see as we go through. At this point, hopefully we get a hit. We should though. Very nice cue card. There you go. Yeah, I don't know. Try to chase another Giratina, and I still need that Aerodactyl, so I will definitely take that. We're going to Poliwag, Growlithe, Ice, Lickitung, Slugma to reverse, into hollow. Okay. Just gonna push them over in that pile over there. 37. I really hope it's not true with the sleeve pack. The cue card. That was part of the little thrill too, as we get another good cue card though. There you go. But it don't look like it's guaranteeing the hits. As we get a psychic energy. Girl. Litten. Chill. Control. Pikachu. Into a nice trainer gallery. Into a. It's a nice trainer gallery card there. Gonna get that one sleeved up. First hit of the day. Very nice. Set that to the back right there. We get into a Lost Origin. Oops, upside down. If y'all haven't, make sure you check out the shorts. I have some really nice vintage cards from Gym Heroes and Gym Challengers. Also, I have some Rocket League 2s. Actually got a Dark Charizard out of that one. As we get a Leafy Energy. Go check out the shorts. And make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you leave a like. And make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And you can just do that on the regular thing. Is I see a little shadow in the back. Might have something here. We get an Honest to Reverse Lady into a card. Okay. As we get the first hit, I believe, of Lost Origins. Alright. Try to keep these apart. Got a nice little piles going. Here we go. Got Silver Tempest. These are pretty cool. I think they're gonna be worth a lot later on in life. Definitely gonna have some saved up, but for now, we're chasing those chase cards. They're good to save now. We got a V-Star card. Zoom. Wrestling. V-Boss. Finnegan. Alright. No, I'm trying to wait until I get to 500 subscribers to actually start doing dual cam. That'll be another goal I'm going to. More people say, oh, you don't do it with the face reveal. If y'all would like that, actually more than just seeing these wonderful hands rip packs, y'all can leave that down below. I'm gonna start doing and live videos for y'all to tune in. I love all my subscribers. I love that you stuck with me for this long, however long you've been with me. I love that you tune in and watch. And I want y'all to be on this journey as I grow. Let's just go through it. So it's one more, I guess. Let's get a Fire Energy. We'll see what comes after him. Lampet. Energy. Lost City. Lingard. Bronzor. Into the hollow. As we grow as a daily fam, as I become a better YouTuber, better shooter, of videos, and ripping these packs and just enjoying the time together. I watch a lot of people, a lot of good people rip packs, and I was just inspired by it. What did we just do? Let's see what you now. And it really inspired me to get out here and start ripping packs also. So you do, make sure you do 4 to the front this time. Okay. Sluff puff, lace. I would have thought we would have had more hits by now, but man, we got a lot more packs to go. Till to reverse into Vulpix. It's a nice card. I already have this one, but it is a hit for the day. Also have that one over there. Into this Lost Ocean. Okay. Free damage at the top of that cue card. Hopefully the actual cards aren't. Alright. There you go. Energy. If I don't hit it, I'm definitely, as much as y'all see me pull, gonna have master sets of a lot of these cards. In some really good conditions. First, into a hollow. Okay. And that's always a good thing. If you're going for, I said, definitely having them cards in reverse hollows is good too if you're that kind of collector. Just to have them, period, you know. Put them in a binder, trade some, do whatever fits your Pokemon collecting, sell, get a little profit from them. A Chula to a very nice V. There we go. That's a very nice trainer card. I do not have that one, but now I do. It looks like, hey, Silver Timbers might have something going for it today. It might have something going for it, at least in the trainer gallo. That's a real nice one. It's actually I think it's a trainer gallery. Yeah, it is. Nice V. Trainer gallery V. Overnight. Okay. That's a nice card. Give him some long switch. I would love to pull another alternate art Giratina. I would love that. Oh, there you go. Cute card there. I actually pulled that Giratina out of the Giratina pack art itself. That was amazing. Like I called it. So let's call another one. T-Dot or C to enchant Internus and a hello. So nice card out of each training gallery. Really nice. Gotta definitely get these in top loaders as we're done. It's always nice to pull a training gallery for in this. People that just collect training gallery cards, full arts. Nothing wrong with that. No matter what kind of collector you are, just make sure you're doing it right. If there is a right way, there you go. All right, let's go forward to the front here. I'm gonna say fire energy. Nope, and no energy. Okay. Leafy camel poncho. True. Alright. Drowsy. Spinnerack. see you pull it from the backside. There you go. You gotta get a cue card. Oh, well, that's fine. There you go. I would like to see about 5 more hits. That'd be nice. Let's see if we can make that happen. Oddish, Hollywag, Hollings, into another, no, hold on, right here. Okay. We have about 4 of each left. Flying through them. We got 5 hits. I'm opening 22 packs. So hopefully we get about 5 more hits. That'd be nice. And if not, you already know we're just enjoying opening these packs. And what we get, can't ask for much. Take what he give us. Until the next time we pull, and we have to get out of the way of that. Get a nice one. I think I actually pulled this card last video I did. It's always nice to have more than one for trading purposes, for selling purposes. Somebody might have seen it and think it's a cool card. So Tempest is actually winning right now. See if Lost Order can pick it up. All it takes is 1 pack. Hey, you'll be in the lead. See a nice cute card here. Now, there you go. Let's get that 4 to the front action working. Yeah, I probably wouldn't know what to do if I was to pull another Giratina here. Pack opening. I'll probably lose it. I don't know yet. Other one shocked me. First one. Reverse. Nothing. It's a reverse Vileplume. Okay. Get these cards to its respected sides. Do a little clean real fast of them. Get them stacked up. Damn, a little workspace here. Until I get a nice little studio or nice little setup. I give the raw perspective as y'all hear sometimes. Alright, so that was Lost Origin. Let's go with our second to last pack of Silver Tempest. Alright. Seems like all those cue cards have been pretty good. Might be a new thing they're doing. I think I picked those up like last week sometime. I think it was from a Kroger's or probably Walmart. I don't know. Chula. Flip. Wall picks. Housing. To reverse roll. Into intention. Okay. Add that to the hollow pile over there. All it takes is 1. Y'all can take this as Pokemon science of pulling packs and data of odds if you need to. That's what I'm also here for. I pulled hundreds of packs, maybe thousands of packs before I even ever thought about picking the camera and recording a video. As I can tell you, it's definitely interesting every time you pick up do so. Alright, so that's the first card there. You put it behind the camera. It's always good. Reverse into a hollow Snorlax. Snorlax is always sleeping. Alright. It's a little Tempest. Got 2 more packs of each. Maybe we get 4 back-to-back hits. Who knows? There you go. Some people sell those code cards. I give them out free. Pikachu. So yeah, I think in the Silver Tempest sleeve packs, I don't think the cute card really makes a difference, honestly, because they've all been that nice bordering, and they all haven't hit. They have did all right, but depends on what you're saying all right is. All right, so we got a V-Star. Velocity. Oh, what's there? Haven't seen that card in a while. Lick of Time. Horsey to reverse into a non-hollow. Kind of weird if you think about it. I've opened, like I said, hundreds, thousands of packs. And those cue cards, you know, could give you something to, you know, right? But it's kind of weird that they went with these, and they're definitely newer packs. You could tell about more like thinking that's the texture of the packs. More or less, they went away from just straight silver. I know people, well, that's the kind. Yeah, but at the same time, you can kind of tell if you've been doing this long enough. The plastic, the wrapper, is also a little bit more firmer. And like I said, here gives you all these cue cards that y'all use. They give. I used to be excited when you see one, but I don't think you could be that excited in these packs as we get a fire energy. Just hopefully, you know, with this last pack, look on this one, that we actually get that card that we're looking for. Maybe not having this video, maybe we will. Who knows? But it don't look like this. Promise we get Growlithe into a to a Lugia V. As I said, I wanted the Lugia. That's funny. But I will take any Lugia. And that's definitely one that I would take. And I did say Lugia V. But y'all know which one I'm talking about. Not necessarily this one, but also a good hit. Nice card to have. It's always good to pull a Lugia. Now, Lost Origin has one chance, and one chance only in last pack magic, and that is if I pull the Giratina full art, or I pull that Aerodactyl, the illustration I think is the lead, Aerodactyl. Let's see what last pack magic does in this battle. Okay. Oh, like I said, starting good. This is the one you want to see. Okay. Here you go. Let's go that 4 to the front. That's gonna be the card. Okay. Tight. Don't wanna no cheating. We're gonna slow roll it. Water energy. Up. Panic mass. Very nice Cedra. Rhydon. Rockruff. Seal. Zora. Snover. Chop. Maybe into a an Aerodactyl V. Can't make it up. The two ones I said, they give it to me in just the V form. But I did hit another trainer gallery art. One I don't have, a very nice one at that. So if you like, leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Until next time, as I get these sleeved up, peace, Daily Fam.